Look at that beautiful biscuit. Look at those layers. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today I'll be showing you how to make KFC style buttery biscuit. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back. As I said before, today we're making KFC style buttery biscuit. So without further delay, let's jump right into these ingredients. Simple everyday ingredients for the most part that can give you delicious, soft, buttery, flaky biscuit. Ready? Let's go. All right, so first up, we're gonna go now with our 2 cups of flour, all purpose, or if you call it table flour, or counter flour. 1 tablespoon baking powder right in the flour. Real quick recipe, ½ teaspoon of salt because I'm using salted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, you can use a teaspoon of that salt. Just a little bit in here. And 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. All right, we're just gonna sift all our dry ingredients. This helps to remove any lumps that may be present in our flour. All right, now that we got that sifted, the key here is to move fast. This is a quick recipe, so we don't want to waste no time. Mix that in to incorporate everything properly. Don't want salt, baking powder and everything to be all over the place. And this recipe is similar to my fried dumpling recipe. You realize how nice and soft my fried dumplings are? That's how we're going to get these. The key is to have a nice sticky dough, so to speak. We have ½ cup of butter. I'm just going to grate that right in. And if you can get that butter to be frozen, that would be even better. Just use a fork because warm fingers on the butter will melt that, because you know your fingers are warm, right? All right, with that frozen butter in, make sure the butter is frozen. We're just going to use a fork and we'll mix that grated butter in. We want to get this to resemble that of breadcrumbs, right? And again, I'm not using my hands because the hands will let this melt, and if it's melt, it's not going to be as flaky as I want it to. So mix that in to resemble that of breadcrumb. I'm just going to go in now with some cold buttermilk and farmer dough. And this buttermilk here is 5 ounces. Use that fork to pre-mix, same fork. Try to avoid using your hands for now. So 5 ounces of cold buttermilk, extra fat. Make these biscuits extra soft. A little bit more. Mix that in with the fork. Grab yourself some flour. We're going to dust the working area as well as our hands. All right, drop that on there. Scrape the excess. Remember now, working fast. You don't have to rush like there's a fire, but you want to move fast so that these don't get hot on you. I want that butter to stay nice. Now we're just going to knead this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Get that flour on there, nice clean surface. Overworking this dough will let it become tough. So more flour on here. All right, so you flatten that out, fold it, and that way we're gonna create some nice layers. Flatten that out with your hand flatten that out to about a ½ inch thick. Fold. Grab a rolling pin, grab some flour, and we're just gonna dust that. We don't want to overwork this. We're just gonna roll that out to about ½ inch thick. Beautiful. All right, cookie cutter. It's well floured. And we're just gonna cut these out. So just press down. Don't twist, because twisting will make a biscuit become lopsided and you're gonna lose those layers, right? So press down. Boom. Lift up. Boom. Press down again. So you see, we haven't been working this dough for very long. These cookie cutters can be found in the description box. Nice. Can I get one more? No. All right. So I have a small tray here, non-stick, and I'm gonna go right on. So first, just peel this back. Peel this away. Nice, nice. All right. Get a little extra flour. Sprinkle on here. Get on the hand. Gently take these up. What you want to do, you want to put them close to each other so that when they rise, they don't fall. Boom. So I'd say 3 per row, depending. Nice. Nice. With a 1/2 inch thick. Nice. All right. More flour on the surface. We're just gonna roll these out. Your oven should be preheated at 420 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna get those nice. So make sure that's even. Boom. And little bit of flour on here so it doesn't stick. And press. 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 Trying to squeeze an extra one. Damn. Can't get the extra one. Lift that up. And there we go. Nice biscuits. Drop this in the oven for 15 minutes on 420 until risen and nice. And as I said, you realize they're close together so that they don't become lopsided. They can, so that they don't fall, because when they rise, they're gonna tilt to the side. So they have something else to tilt on to keep them upright. So let's go. Oh, we have extra dough. Just gonna break that. Gonna drop it on the tray. Ensure that that is on the middle rack, and that way you get the perfect biscuits, quick and easy. As I said, it's similar to that fried dumpling recipe, you know, nice sticky dough. If the dough is too dry, you're gonna get dry biscuit. You want those biscuits to be nice and fluffy. I have about a tablespoon of butter melting in the oven, microwave, and then we're just gonna listen in a man. Give me a few minutes. We could just do the cleanup. Coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot. There we go. All right, so just gonna get that melted butter real quick and rub over top. Yeah, just like so. And instantly, you're gonna realize how the color changes. Perfect little biscuits. Yeah, man, I eat one. Look at that. Buttery goodness. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful biscuit. Look at those layers. Wow. So soft. Look at that. Come on, Jamie. Come record this. Hold the camera. Come right there, sir. Hold the camera here. Come closer to it. Alright, watch the now, man. Watch the now, man. Biscuit. Look at those layers. Lift it up. Lift up the camera for me. Oh, look at that. Wow. Mwah. Chef kiss. Look at him. Soft. Beautiful. I'll taste one. Jamir is here. Try out a biscuit.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Tastes good.
Soft, eh? Nice. Look at that. Spongy, fluffy biscuit. And there you have it. How to prepare your very own KFC style biscuit. Yeah man, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you love the vibe, remember to hit subscribe. Turn on that post notification so you never miss a video. And remember, this is the final video of the KFC series. So for everybody who's been along this journey with me, thank you very much. Check out the series in the playlist, KFC series. And you'll see there from the first one is the popcorn chicken, the original chicken, the spicy chicken, the barbecue. Then we have the zinger. Then we have the barbecue zinger. We have the hot wings. We have the famous bowl, and the hot wings come in barbecue as well. So that's it. What else do we have? We have the gravy, we have the coleslaw, and finally we have the very soft and moist biscuit. So if you did enjoy this video and you did love the series, leave a like on this video, leave your comments down below. That's it for the KFC series. Remember to grab my book, Morris Time Cookings, Jamaican Christmas Recipes. So enough love for the love. Until next time, thank you very much to everyone who has been a part of this journey. This series is now completed, and I'm happy that I got to deliver as per your request. So thank you very much for rocking with me. Keep on rocking with me. Bring us to 1 million subscribers. Follow me on Instagram, hot_chef. Everything that I use in my kitchen can be found in the description box down below. So here we go on. I'm talking, my mouth salivating. I'm going to beat up a couple of them biscuits. You know what I say? So you know the thing going on. You see, until next time, safe travel on the gravel. And go and big up on yourself. Jamir, say that part there, hit man.